Here are all the ingredients we will be using for our fried rice. First, add some sesame oil. Then cook the scrambled eggs. Remove them once they are fully cooked. Then add more sesame oil. Then cook your carrots and green onions. Make sure they get some nice color on them. Then you add your ginger and chopped garlic and cook further. Then you add your leftover rice and some peas. Break up the rice and then add some soy sauce. Keep it moving so it doesn't burn while breaking up the rice and cooking it further. You could add more soy sauce and oil if you think it needs more. Once everything looks good, go ahead and mix back in the scrambled eggs. That's it. Now it's time to enjoy your fried rice. Thanks for watching. Bye.